Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. To watch the fog actually roll in. I was driving by and just missed the sun. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Do you see the fog rolling in? I just think that that is a beautiful sight. This is what bliss is. This is what meditation is. This is what connecting is, living in the moment. I hadn't even planned on stopping. I was just like, I don't have time to stop today, but I just wanted to see the water, just to get a piece of it. And as I was coming through, the water was about to disappear because the fog was rolling in. And the sun's not setting for another couple of hours. I just thought that was something that was a beautiful sight of nature that needed to be seen. And how it doesn't take much, a minute or two, just to connect with source energy, to recognize those signs. We have no control over certain things in the universe. And that's just proof. Fog, sun, rain, the earth elements cannot be recreated by man, you know? A fog machine can create the illusion of that, but nothing can actually be that.